All right. Again, like I said, I'm doing all the videos in one day. That way I can start, thinking up content for next week and actually being able to focus on trading as well. All the guys out there that can run a Discord, run a trading chat, do YouTube videos. I think like Trading Wars comes to mind. I mean, these guys are beasts, being able to do it all and still make money trading. So definitely kudos to those guys because I cannot. I also have a full time job too. If I didn't have a full time job, maybe I could do all that too. But trying to keep all that going, it's all a lot of different hats you got to wear. Even like Money Moves Investments, that guy trying to be a mentor and then running a trading group and develop algos, that stuff, it's a lot of work. So kudos to all those guys out there that do that stuff. For me, I got to do this stuff in spurts because, like I said, a full time job. I got kids, a wife, and other stuff to do. So I spent most of the day gardening, and went up and picked up some free pallets so I could start building a chicken coop. So that's what I spent most of my morning doing. So now I'm gonna cool off and spend some time looking at some of these indicators that folks have been so gracious to let me try and test out. So this one's from SHero, really good algo, clean algo that I've seen so far. I've been using his on the side too. I've got a couple indicators that I'm testing out, so I kind of watch them just to see how price works with them and see if there's strategies I can develop. This one is an interesting one because I've never seen anything like this. A panel. It's called the Onelook, and it's based mainly on crypto, I think, but you can set it up for different tickers. Right now, there's the default is Bitcoin and altcoins and stuff like that. But what an interesting panel you have here, where you've got. I'm not exactly sure how to use this yet, and I've been meaning to get with the scriptwriter and kind of go over this to figure all this out. And I'm sure I could probably Google all these, but I know what a Sharpe ratio is. I know what log growth curves are. I know what fear and greed are, but I'm not sure what I think about these and how to use them. But I think it's super interesting regardless. My main thing that I would like that I like about this panel here is you get sort of like you sort of do get like a one look just for 5 tickers, and you get a signal here sort of generated here. I'm not exactly sure how the signal is generated. It's pretty accurate though, because I've got several of these set up with different baskets of tickers, and it's pretty accurate. I take a look at it and I go, okay, well it's saying that whatever this basket is, or maybe whatever the main ticker is, it's pretty accurate. It'll tell you how long each one has been in that signal as well. So you can see this cake has actually been in a buy signal for 4 days. So that's interesting. It'll give you the your basic indicators, your volume, ATR, SMA, and RSI for each. This is really interesting here. This hidden truth, obvious truth, hidden lie, obvious lie. Right now we're in a hidden truth, which I'm guessing, I'm not exactly sure what this means either, but I'm guessing that we're sitting still in a cell, and it's just kind of like it's not really obvious, right? Like it's an obvious truth that the crypto market is in a cell, but right now it's sort of like a hidden thing, it looks like, because it's been kind of sideways for quite a few days now. I think this entire week it's just sat here around 20,000 as far as Bitcoin is concerned. So maybe that's what that's saying. Someone correct me out there if I'm wrong. It's not like I'm not taking trades off of this or anything yet. I've just been monitoring it, kind of looking at it, and I like this fear and greed index that shows up as well. So having this on a layout maybe, and just being able to like pull it up for a different set of tickers or basket of tickers and go, okay, look here, once I figure out what all these mean, I can get a really good idea of if the industry, or if those tickers are if they're in a real sell, or if they're in a like a fake sell, or whatever, if they're bullish or bearish. So really cool indicator called the Onelook. Check it out in the description. There's a free trial to use these indicators from SHero. We'll see you next time. Peace.